Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are checking out this channel for the very first time and you're interested in becoming a model, you definitely want to consider subscribing because I make some of the best content that you guys are going to see about the modeling industry. All right, so previously I've given you guys some tips on how you can improve your runway walk. But in this video, what I actually wanted to do was actually show you some real life examples of some of the best runway walks in the industry. Male models, female models, I'm breaking it down. Here are some of my favorite walks on the runway. All right guys, so the first walk, and I hope I'm saying this right, is from male model Meen. And when you look at his walk, the thing that really stands out to me the most is his calm, confident walk. And the walk is almost kind of flawless in a sense. Now pay close attention to his facial expression as he walks down the runway. This is almost sort of like the perfect expression for male models. It's supposed to be bold, confident, and fierce, right? Now the next model who I really love her walk is Karlie Kloss. She has this cat-like, playful, yet seductive kind of appeal to her walk. Watch very closely. Pay attention to how her hips are moving, her shoulders, her legs. It's almost kind of reminiscent of a cat walking down the runway. It's fluid, it's smooth, it's seamless. It almost seems kind of effortless to her as well. She also does a great job with her facial expressions and her stops and turns. Now watch how she stops and turns on this. Boom. Now if you're looking for a fast-paced, high-energy walk, look at Gisele's walk and look no further. She has one of the best fast-paced, upbeat, up-tempo walks in the industry. She does a really great job at staying fierce as she's walking, powering down that runway. She also does a great job with her facial expressions, and she's a master at stopping, posing at the end of that runway. So pay close attention to that. Watch this, so fast-paced, coming in, boom, 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 bang, right there. Okay, so the next model that I like is Alton Mason, right? Why I like his walk so much is that he has his own unique flair. You can tell that he generally loves walking down the runway. You can tell that he loves modeling, all from his walk, right? He can give you a variety of different types of walk. He can give you calm, smooth, steady. He can give you up-tempo, playful. He's pretty much mastered the male model walk, and he's almost kind of adding his own unique flair to it. So if you guys want to be known for having your own signature walk, first of all, you need to master all of the elements like being confident, walking with great pace, mastering your stops and turns, and then just kind of add your own uniqueness to it. And that's what Alton Mason has done. You can see it in his walk. He has a very strong, confident walk, and it's his signature. It's unique to him. No one can ever mimic his walk, if that makes sense. And then my last example is Naomi Campbell. Naomi is the queen of the runway. When you talk about giving a perfect runway walk, look at Naomi Campbell. She has the perfect runway walk. Pose, stops and turns, pacing, everything is literally perfect. She's like the gold standard. A lot of modeling agencies actually pull up videos of Naomi Campbell. They encourage their models to watch them to kind of learn how to walk down the runway. But so again, easier said than done. You guys have to keep practicing runway walks. So of course, there are many other models who have great walks as well, but these are some of my 5 favorite examples of models that you guys can look up to and watch their videos to kind of learn to perfect your own walks as well. If you guys have questions, drop them in the comment box down below. If you like this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you guys in the next one.